Alright, you guys, hey. So, another unboxing video. We're going to unbox this belt sander. This is from Harbor Freight as well. Again, no affiliation with Harbor Freight or sponsorship or anything. I bought this completely with my own money. So, I'm going to open it again, let you guys know what I think of it, and kind of just go through what it comes with and how it comes. And you guys get to check it out with me. So, it was $46, I believe. At Harbor Freight. I believe. It may have been a little bit more. I really forget the price. Alright. So let's check it out. Alright, so right off the bat we got some kind of handle it comes with. Move you guys around a little bit. Some sort of handle. Instructions. Pretty cool. Let's take a look at it real quick. See if there's anything immediately important we need to take a look at here. Just a bunch of adjustment instructions. Yeah, nothing really immediately important. So we'll check that out in a minute. Alright, let's take off the top protective styrofoam. There we go. I got the kids in the other room playing with the hoverboard, so if you hear them, that's what it is. Okay. There's a little tray. It's not bad. A couple things I noticed right off the bat is that, that looks kind of sloppy right there. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like that. I highly doubt it. No. You can kind of see it's overhanging. There's like burrs going all the way around it, and take the time to clean it up. It's kind of sharp and really, not the best quality. I guess you get what you pay for. It's like fucking, it's like $50 or whatever. So appears to be some kind of, I'd have to say cast aluminum, and the casting is just absolutely horrible. Look at these marks. And there, can you guys see that? And the casting is just horrible. The underneath side is all, it has a bunch of cracks and lines. Luckily, this part isn't made to be under stress or anything, so it shouldn't matter. Okay, so this is the main part of it. It looks like it comes pretty much assembled. Let's put it up here. Slide her out. Go. Alright. Get rid of that. Okay. Oh wow. It comes like completely assembled. Sander right on it. Comes with a pretty heavy grit on it. It looks like it has a part down here where you can attach like a bag or something. Tracking knob. Ow, my ankle hurts. Okay. Pretty sure this goes. That. This, pretty sure holds it on. Throw away some of these bags. Now, unlike the drill press, this thing does have an overwhelming plastic smell. You can smell the Chinese factory on it practically. So I mean, hopefully that'll go away at some point. 1 minute. Let me get this put on. I'll be right back. And I got a little piece of wood here. We'll see what it can do. There's some really, really rough sandpaper on it. So one thing I do like, you guys, is this this button right here has like the plastic protector on to keep dust and stuff from getting there. That's I think that's a good touch. I mean, it costs a little bit more. Also, the other thing I do like about it is underneath, its little feet are rubber. So it kind of cuts down on the vibration into whatever table you're working on or whatever surface, and keeps it from bouncing everywhere, which is really good. It looks, like I said already, it has a part for an attachment, but it doesn't come with it, so I don't know what that's all about. I guess you can put a bag or something over it. Who knows? Have one from an old palm sander or something you can retrofit on there. Anyways, it's a little, I turned it on already, it's a little loud. So let's see. Pretty cool. It's good as job for sure. See what I'm saying? It's a little loud, but it works. I mean, it worked for the small projects that I have, so it's perfect. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think of the video. This is a short little unboxing video, but let me know what you guys think. If you want more unboxing videos in the future, let me know. Definitely, please, you guys, throw a like on there. It definitely helps me out, lets me know what I'm doing right. Leave a comment if you have any suggestions for anything. And go ahead and subscribe, you guys. Hit the subscribe button. I have a lot more videos coming out in the future. Not all of them are going to be unboxing videos, but I do got a lot of projects coming up, like go-kart, mini bikes, all those good things. So definitely leave a comment, rate, comment, subscribe. You guys have a great night.